Good morning, all of you. Myself Sandeep Parashar, and I am welcoming you online classes, computer class, 8th class. We are reading Unit 2nd, Chapter 2nd, MS Access. In MS Access, I already told you data is stored in the form of table, and table is made by row and columns. Now we are reading creating a table using design view. I already told you we have two types of view in MS Access, datasheet view and design view. So we completed datasheet view. Now we are starting design view. In design view we have to first create the tables structure. In this we need to create, but in datasheet view we already have. To create it, first click on the create table. All of you are familiar, it is on the top. Second, click table design. After that you need to click table design. A new table design, and new upon let us create the table structure. Type the name of a field in the field name columns. What type of field you want? You want a student, you want roll number, and data type column. You need to give them data type also. An arrow appears from the drop down list in the data type arrow and select the data type according to our field name. Whenever we click on the data type, it will show the data type list. Then we select from this. Press tab key to move to the description column and type a description in the field. The description of the field is optional. We can write little bit about anything, but it is optional. If you want, then you can write, no need. Save the table after adding all your fields by clicking the save button on the quick access toolbar. The save as dialog box appear. If you finished your work, we can click on save as. It is on the top on quick access. After that, type the table name and click OK button. After click on the save, you need to type the name for saving and OK. Primary key. 8th class, I want to tell you one thing. Whenever you create any table, there is a primary key. It is not same with other table also. Like whenever anybody create a table with student's name, then student name is similar with anyone, parents name is similar with anyone, but roll number is not similar with anyone. So roll number is the primary key of table. A table should have at least one field that has a unique value for each record. Example, in a school database, the roll number of each student uniquely identify each student of a class. You might have the same name, but you never have the same roll number as your friends. So in the school database, the roll number field is primary key. I already told you. A primary key does not allow null values. It means in this we never leave it blank. It is not required blank space and must always have a unique value. A primary key is used to relate a table to foreign key. Foreign key means if you are going to create another table for student, then student roll number is same in both tables. Switching view. Access provide two different views to work with us. Datasheet view, design view. I already told you what is the meaning of datasheet view and design view. We can easily switch from one view to another, and how to switch we will see. Datasheet view, it displays the view in a row columns format which allow us to view, enter or manipulate data. In design view, it displays the view which allow us to enter field name, data types and description into our table. I already told you in datasheet view, data will show in the table form, then we can edit easily. But in design view, we will make the table and after that it will show in a description mode. Switch between views, simply click view from the view group of home tab. If you want to switch it, you click on the view, it will on the home tab. Entering data, the datasheet view. To enter data into the table in the datasheet view, type the value in the Press the tab key to move to the next field, type its value. When you press the tab key in the last field, insertion point move to the first field in the next time. If you are going to type in the datasheet view, you need to type the value in respective field, means you need to type the value, after that you need to give the data types, and after that you need to give the description and you can save it. After completing creation of a table, we can manipulate the data. Manipulate the data means we can edit our data. We can add, insert, delete, we can update also. Manipulating means to make changes in the data. The following modification done on a table in Microsoft Access. Add a new record or row. To add a new record, close the cursor at the last field column and simply press the tab key. Whenever you keep it on the last and you press the tab, new row will be added. To add a new field column, right click on the column header and choose the insert field option. A new field is inserted to the left of the selected field. If you want to use it, you keep it and click on the insert field. After that it will generate it. Update a record. To update a modify a record, simply click in the cell we want to update and type the new value. It is like MS Excel. If you want to change it, you can double click on the cell and after that you can make it changes. Next one in this, to delete a row or record. To delete a row or columns, it is like similar in old classes. If you want to delete anything in the MS Excel, you need to select your row or columns and after that you can press delete from your keyboard button. It is similar like old classes. Okay, thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.